Usembut Menteri Rangba kejela bakmi ketenat kampok ying ubak Preston Jensong hakasngi baar ulaong baga sorkar kedang up ye kerai jongka hinyau terap National Liberation Council halor kejingkerpat bakinong yalam keseng kinwan no dalade syagajing ye kren yesuk kabanwan habaya kren bakinong tok kubor ubak Preston laong basa sisin ke sorkar jela bat ke sorkar pedeng ki yang scam bat kwa ban penpeteng ye kejing ye kren bat ke HNLC ulaong baga sorkar kadang up ye gejingai ketin naka HNLC namar naki kinong yalam bahakli kimpat wan satya ban ye simbenta hakajing yalang kumta la pha lek pai ye kidkot ka HNLC harengkat kajing kerpat ba enda kila long kibala khre bakin sio bha pentip namar kum ka sorkar jela ba sorkar pedeng kidang up ba don biang kajing ye kren ba Preston laong ru ba ya mentahi kajing ye kren bapura kala long tang sisin bat yakane kajing ye kren kadai tang bat kinong yalam bahap ka kerdan second rang kumta ka sorkar ka kerpat baha kajing yalang baar ne balai kinong yalam baha klidu kidai bandon lang bat ka sorkar kan sawat ikilat kilinti banle halor kino kikam balai kren halor kamej.
Let me just again reiterate from the state government and the central government, we are very, very firm. We are very, very determined to continue the talk with the HNLC, and we are still waiting now the communication from their side, because since the top leaders still could not participate in the meeting, so we have sent back for the members of the HNLC and then with their request, and our request is when they are ready, please let us know. State government and central government is open and we are waiting for the next talk.